Namaste and welcome back to another session of Yoga with Archana. So today we'll discuss about uh, some serious issues about women, about their uterus and pelvic region once they cross the age of 30. So sometimes it becomes so serious that during your periods time you are not able to sit properly, you are not able to relax properly because of the thickness in the uterus, and second thing that your pelvic is not so strong. So I for some women the issue is really so serious, but when you notice these signs, okay, during your periods, when you have facing heavy blood flow, when you're facing too much pain, when you're facing that you're not able to sit in a comfortable position, you're not able to sit over the mat, so don't ignore these signs. This is related to your health, for a healthy living being. And trust me, if you notice these signs in your early 30s or in your mid 30s, so and you start working on that, so in your 40s, and when there's a time in your mid 40s when it comes to menopause, you will not face that kind of pain during that menopause era. So today we'll do some stretches for relieving you from that, and hopefully with these stretches will make your uterus strong and make your pelvic region strong too. So let's start. And it's not about women's, those who are facing these issues, any woman, those who wants to make their uterus strong, they can work on that. Okay, so first pose, you have to sit in Sukhasana. First, observe your breath. With your left hand, adopt chin mudra. Right palm over your abdomen and start observing your breath. While inhaling, bulging up your stomach or your abdomen. While exhaling, sinking down your abdomen. Do this multiple times. Inhale, bulging up. Exhale, sinking down. Inhale, bulging up. Exhale, sinking down. Slowly observe your breath. Slowly open your eyes, and then we'll do some mild stretches. We'll start with the cat and cow pose. So first of all, sit in Vajrasana. Stand on your knees. The distance between your knees and your hands is around 2 feet. Keep your palms over the edge of the mat, and while inhaling, just look up. Do not put much pressure over your abdomen. Exhale, very slowly sinking down. Inhale, go up. Exhale, sinking down. Inhale, go up. Exhale, sinking down. Slowly again sit in Vajrasana. From there, you have to sit like that. In that position, keep your core engaged. Your back should be straight throughout the class. And then take hands above your head. And while exhaling, come forward. Do not put too pressure. You can keep it down also. But if you think you are not able to do this, come halfway. You are able. If you think it's not challenging, forehead to the knee. Again, inhale, come up. Exhale, come forward. Third asana. Just sit over there, legs straight, hands above your head. With the right hand, grab your right foot thumb and look up. The asanas which is working over your hamstring is really good for your cure your uterus. Now do the same with the other side. This is more than enough. Do not bend too much. Exhale, come forward. Next one. Just lie down. Here, bend your knees. Now, join your feet together. While exhaling, bring your legs down. While inhaling, come up. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale. Exhale and inhale. Do this stretch at least for 10 minutes. This is really very relaxing. Next one. Again, uplift your feet. Just join your feet together. Interlock your feet with your hands and start uplifting your legs. 1. Uplift your feet 1 or 2 inches, not more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Spinal twist. Do the same with the other side. Slowly turn towards the right or left side and slowly come up straight. Next we'll do Baddha Konasana. So we'll start doing the butterfly. And then slowly come forward. If you think you are able to touch your forehead to the thumb, that is fine. Otherwise, come this way. This is also fine. Or else you can keep here a pillow or something for the support. Slowly come back. Last one is Malasana. So, stand in Tadasana, Sthiti. Slowly come up, sit like that. Back should be straight and look straight. Fix your gaze at one point. This is really good for the healthy uterus. Sit in this position for at least for 1 minute for the better results. So these are the few stretches for the healthy uterus and for the healthy pelvic. So women who are facing some issues related to uterus, they can follow this. If your problem is mild or moderate, these asanas and stretches are really helpful for you. But if your problem is severe, then you have to consult your doctor before doing this, practicing the stretches. And I started group sessions for males and females online classes for weight loss series. If you want to see my weight loss journey, you can see my post. I'm regularly updating my post. So 5 years back my weight was 85, and with the help of yogasanas and self-discipline, within 2 years, I'm not saying within 3 or 4 months, I just achieved the weight of 55. Still right now I'm not 55, I'm 58, but that time 3 months back my weight was 55. So I lost almost 30 kg with the help of yogasanas regularly. So if you want to follow my routine, if you want to follow self-discipline things, what I have done during my weight loss journey, you can join my online sessions. Okay, and I just post my WhatsApp number. If you want to join the sessions, you can WhatsApp it. We'll share you the details over there, but please don't call, so because I can't give more details over calls and everything. So whatever, I'm just precisely asking your inquiry. Okay, do not write in paras, 3-4 lines or 10 lines para, so it's not easy to answer me each and every question. You just write precisely what is your requirement, what is your weight loss, why you are joining my classes, your purpose, and few more details, any health issues you are facing. So on that basis we'll start your group session classes. With this I'll end today's session. Hope you enjoy it. Namaste.